Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. And you like my bag? Thanks. It's got pockets. So many pockets. This Tianya outdoor bag is amazing for the amount that it can store. We can actually fit both of our go bags into this one single bag. The fabric, the stitching, the zippers are all very sturdy and durable. I know that this bag is going to last us a long time. Not only are there huge pockets, but there's also a detachable bag on the front, and you can wear it as a crossbody or as a fanny pack. The shoulder straps and the back have cushioning on them, which makes it much more comfortable if you're carrying a heavy load. And it also has straps across the front to help disperse the weight, so it's not so much of a burden when you do have a loaded down and heavy bag. We can even fit our air mattress through the top, and we don't feel like we've left anything behind. Of course, now we're going to have to go out and buy more stuff because we can't fill it with all of the pockets that it has. We don't have any backpacking trips planned for the foreseeable future, but you never know when an emergency is going to happen. So I feel so good knowing that I have this bag ready to go and I can carry everything that I need in it. And that's my point of view.